Hello, educators and my dear friends. Hope you are good. And today I'm again on Google Sheets. And when we work on the Google Sheet, we find that the layout of the Google Sheet is quite dull and looks dull. So, how can we give an aesthetic look to your Google Sheet, a beautiful look to your Google Sheet? So, the alternative of this column is that we can use the alternating colors of the Google Sheets. So, how to apply these beautiful colors in the cells of the Google Sheet? I have taken a sheet which is the sheet is here. So, if you see this sheet, this is the sheet of marks of these students where I have used many formulas to calculate total and percentage. But overall, if you see the look of this sheet is quite dull. So how to give the aesthetic colors to this sheet, or rather, you if you want to make the sheet your sheet colorful, you should do something. So Google has provided the option to make the Google Sheet beautiful. So what to do if you want to make your sheet colorful? First, you select the sheet or the area on which you want it to color. Use the alternating colors of the Google Sheet. From this sheet, from this cell to the end of the column or row, and this part of the Google Sheet I want to make colorful. So what to do here? So very simple and very useful method to make your sheet colorful. First, you go to the format option, and from here you will have to select the option alternating colors. This. So over here you'll see in the right pan predefined templates are available. Predefined templates means if you want to choose any of the templates to apply on your sheet, you can use this. And if you want to include header or footer, respectively, you can choose header or footer. And here I have chosen header to be colored. And if I choose this or maybe this, like this, if I apply this color, I will have to say done finally. And if you do not satisfy with these colors, you can customize these colors using these cells. Means if you want to take header like this, second color like this, and color 2 like this, if you want to choose the colors, you are free and you have the liberty to choose different colors. So over here I am going to use or choose like this color. So this way you see the look of the sheet. It gives the different look, and it looks very beautiful when we color the rows and columns. It gives the beautiful look or the aesthetic look, you can say. And this way, once you are satisfied or not satisfied, you can choose plus button here, and make your own combination. For example, I have taken header as green, color 1 as this, and the next color I have taken, for example, this. So over here, I am not satisfied with the color of the cells. And if you want to change the color of the text, that you know how to change the color. So according to your perception, you'll be able to change the colors of the text and cells as well. So this way we can apply alternating colors. So once you are satisfied, then say done. So once you say done, the layout will be like this. And at any time you are not satisfied with the color coding or the color combinations, you can cancel the colors. How to cancel the colors? You simply select the sheet and go to format option and alternating colors, and here you see the option like remove alternating colors. So just click on this. See this. So once you click on remove the colors, colors from the sheet are removed. So this way we can give the aesthetic look to your Google Sheet. Hope you like uh, this option, and if you like, kindly share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestion, kindly convey the suggestion. So I'll definitely improvise or definitely consider your suggestion. Thank you.